What's up guys, quick video on the key change or the battery change. It's an Energizer CR1620. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, flip the key open over here. You'll see inside over here, there's like a little, right over there, it's a little bit that you want to press on. So you see that little bit over there, that side of the key right there. So you press on it, and you'll see that this part of the key just pops right out. And now, go ahead and grab a flat screwdriver and this part right in over here, just right on the top. Just going to go ahead and shove your screwdriver in there, pop it open. You see the key will come apart, and you go ahead and just, you want to sort of jack it backwards because this metal bit stays in there. Sometimes that'll pull out. Just put it back in again. So there's your battery. This one was already empty, as you can see. Didn't have a battery in it, so the positive goes down to the bottom, which is the logo side. So you go ahead and put that in there. Alright, and that's that. And now you just go ahead and line the key up again, top to bottom. Just sandwich it together from the back first, and then just snap it together. Bring this part of the key back over again. Is it upside down? No, it's right way around. Boom, snap together, and that's it. All done.